Let's look at our types of slopes. So this first is identifying our types of slopes. And we've got a vertical line. This is a vertical line. This is our x equals some number line. Remember, we can remember that because if we cover up half of the x, that makes a v, vertical line. We walk vertically, we walk upright. So this slope is undefined. Remember, when they're facing this way, our slopes are negative. These lines are horizontal lines, and these are y equals some number. To remember that it's a y equals, if I turn my y upside down, it kind of makes an H, horizontal. We also lay down horizontally. These have a 0 slope, and then when the line is facing this way, we've got a positive slope. All right. Parallel slopes are the same slope. They're the same, meaning the slope is the same. So if we want a line that is parallel to y equals 2x, this is my slope. So parallel slope would be 2. This is my slope. Literally, parallel means the same. This is a 1, so it would be, the slope would be 1. All right. Our perpendicular slopes are opposite reciprocal. And what that means is we change the sign and flip the fraction. So if our slope here is positive 2, we would change the sign to 2 and flip our fraction. So it'd be negative 1/2. This is negative 4. We would have a positive slope. That would be positive 1/4. This is a positive 1/2, so we would change it, flip those numbers to negative 2. This is a positive 1, so we would change it to negative 1. All right. What could the equation of the following graph be? This is our vertical line. Remember, we walk vertically, upright vertically. And so that is my x equals a number, whatever number it's at on the x-axis. So in this case, this is x equals 6. So not that, not that, not that, here. If I get one that looks like this, and we got a bunch of y equals for my answer choice, and I can't remember that it's an x equals line, then you can graph these and see that they're not the same. All right, number 5 says, what is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through this point and is parallel to the line represented by this? So parallel means we've got the same slope. So this is our slope because this is y equals mx plus b. That m, that number in front of x, is my slope. So I'm looking, that's the same, so that could be an answer. That's a negative, that's not the right answer, and same thing with here. So then now I need to use my point slope form to find the b part of this. So y minus equals x minus, and let's fill in. We got this line, this is x1, this is y1. So 0, 1.2, and 5. So this over here, y minus 0 is just y. And then remember, we distribute 1.2x. 1.2x times negative 5 is negative 6. A is our answer. What is the equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through this point and is perpendicular to the line represented by this. So we are taking the opposite reciprocal. So this is 2 over 5. So that goes to negative 5 over 2. That's not it. That's not it. Okay, so same thing. Y minus equals x minus. This is negative 2, negative 5 over 2, and positive 2. So y plus 2 equals negative 5 over 2. Y plus 2 equals negative 5 over 2x. When I distribute that, and when I distribute that, that gives me positive 5. Still trying to get y by itself, so I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. Y is negative 5 over 2x plus 3. That is my answer.